This is not a dating site, okay? This is not a date where you are asking the examiner, oh, where do you come from? Which is your favorite coffee? Or something along those lines, okay? Now here, just don't give your house name. Mummy calls me Puppy, okay? Or mummy calls me Sonu. Lay the emphasis on full name. So don't go just about it. They're saying, my name is Sukhpreet, or Sukhpreet, or Amrinder. Hello guys, welcome. And today we will discuss speaking. So in IELTS speaking, as you know, there are three parts. The first is the introduction, the second is the long term, and the third are the follow-ups. But before that, we also have another part where the examiner asks you some introductory questions. These are not part of your scoring, okay, but these definitely help you in your confidence, okay. So what are those questions? So the examiner might start as, good morning, my name is Sarah Jones. He or she will greet you first, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Then he or she will proceed by telling his or her name. Here, if you look at this carefully, he or she is telling her full name and not just her first name. Since this is a professional setting, they are going to give you their full names. Then they will proceed and ask you, what is your name? Or could you tell me your full name? Again, lay the emphasis on full name. So don't go just about it. They're saying, my name is Sukhpreet, or Sukhpreet, or Amrinder, or Hardeep. You have to tell your full name, okay? First greet them, because since they have greeted you, you also have to greet them back. These are good professional mannerisms. Good morning, my name is Aman Bakshi, or my name's Aman Bakshi. Now, this is the greeting. Now you can say my name is, but a professional concise manner would be my names, not this. Don't say my names, my name. Okay? This Aman Bakshi, or your whatever your name is. This is a shorter form of saying my name is. Okay? Now the second question would be, what can I call you? Now here, just don't give your house name. Mummy calls me Puppy, okay? Or mummy calls me Sonu, okay? Not your house name or your pet name, okay? He or she is not asking for your pet name. He or she is asking, how can they call you? Like what you be called professionally. So you can answer, you can call me Aman, please call me Aman. You can call me by my first name, Aman. Okay? Also don't start explaining why they call you by your name, or don't just start giving the meaning of your name. Oh, my name is Aman because the meaning of Aman is peace, or something along those lines. Don't go into a tangent, don't go into a stratosphere basically. Just remain short and concise. Just answer short and concisely. Okay? Okay. Now the third question is, where are you from? Or could you tell me where you come from? Or where do you come from? So the examiner is asking, where are you from, or where do you live? Okay. So the answer could be, I am from Ludhiana. Or it could be, I come from Ludhiana. Or I am from Ludhiana, which is located in the state of Punjab in India. This is the most elaborative answer. Okay. Another thing, do not ask the examiner where they come from. Do not ask the examiner where they come from. This is not basically you guys are not trying to get to know each other. This is kind of an interview, okay, where the examiner is interviewing you. So he or she is going to ask all the questions and you are just going to answer them. This is not a dating site, okay. This is not a date where you are asking the examiner, oh, where do you come from, which is your favorite coffee, or something along those lines, okay. So if the examiner is asking where are you from, just answer, I am from this particular city, okay. Okay, so the last question would be, can you show me your identification please, or can I see your identification please? Here the examiner is requesting you to show your ID. Now what will be your ID? Your ID will be your passport, okay. So you have to show him or her your ID. So the answer should be or could be, of course, here it is, or sure, here it is. But a formal way or more formal way of saying it, yes, you may, here it is. Because here the examiner is requesting you by adding the word please and in a very formal manner. So you should reply in a formal manner by saying yes, you may, here it is, okay. I've already posted mock speaking videos. Please do check them out and comment down there as well. I would love to see your suggestions and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button